Hi, it's Eddie at Weirdly Tropical. It's just a really quick video today. Just jet washed my garden patio, and after it had dried, I realised it still looked quite grim. So I did a bit of research online and found an absolute game changer of how to get it really clean. Again, using some of my favourites, the magic sponges, but let me show you. So essentially all I'm using is these magic sponges I got off Temu. They're not the proper ones, but they'll do. I've then got some white vinegar, and then I just put it into a spray bottle just with some water, and let me show you the difference. So as I say, hopefully it shows up on the camera, but there's a definite distinction between the left tiles and these ones that are stained. Like I say, again, I just used a brand new Bosch on it. So really dead simple. Let's see if I can hold this. Just a spray of this. Look at the difference. Bear in mind that's been jet washed with that, and on top of that it's still got all of that out of it. I'll show the result when it's finished. Again, look at the filth coming out of this. That's a bit disgusting. It's just been jet washed twice. I thought my culture was packing up, so I bought the Bosch. At the strand sites, because sometimes it doesn't show on film what you're actually doing. But I thought if I could save you a bit of money, I was looking at some patio cleaner, all about 10 to 15 quid, no need. And just for the people that say it hasn't been jet washed, you see the difference there. So we'll keep this one going. Magic sponge versus jet wash. There you go. Granted a bit more labour intensive, but it bloody works. Look at that. Look at the difference. Hopefully this has saved you some money, guys. I mean, I wouldn't have bought the Bosch, if I'm being completely honest, if I'd have realised what was capable with just a couple of magic sponges and a bit of vinegar. The reason I bought it is because the circular patio cleaner on the Karcher just wasn't doing it, and then again I've done it again today with the Bosch, and that still has left all that filth in there. I'll be able to maintain it now that the worst that's gone, and obviously that's been through winter and they are very light tiles. But don't forget to like and subscribe and comment as well, to see if it saved you any money as well, see if it was worked as fantastic for you as it did for me. But thanks guys.